Assalamu alaikum. How are you? My favorite YouTube group. Yes, I am a teacher. This is my shop, and my name is MasterYounas Fayaz. This is a table, the workshop, and this is parts, and this is my setup, uh, and I am a teacher and YouTuber. Very work hard in I was, the total setup my workshop and my computer. Uh, then I go to uh, my computer so that my computer and this is my computer and yeah, this is my computer. Uh, I use this to edit videos. This is the software Filmora that used for editing. This is the Filmora software that used for editing, videos editing. And this is my intro. This is my intro. Let me show you. I created in the intro myself. I created this intro made myself. This is my then intros. See you, my best friend, YouTube friends. This is my intro. You see my intro made myself, and there is no copyright content in my channel. There is no copyright content my channel. I request to you. I request you to monetize my channel. I request to you monetize my channel. I very work hard. This is my channel MasterYounas Fayaz. This is my videos 145. 145. This is my videos. This is my short videos, long videos, and this is my short videos. And this videos myself. Thank you, my dear YouTube groups. I request you, my channel monetize. I request. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.